Freeform investigations in the Command Zero platform start with one or more lead types. And when clicked, a modal is presented showing all of the available questions for that lead type based on the integrations an organization has configured. The curated content of Command Zero platform provides a broad range of questions that will be applicable to all types of investigations. Analysts can always expand the description for additional context, including key points of interest to review in the results. Once executed, analysts can review the data in the detail panel. Additional means reviewing the data can also be found by reviewing the timeline view, as well as the traditional analyst table view. From the detail view, analysts are also able to review or add notes, review and add tags, see the raw data returned from the API, easily interact with all lead values, and if ever an analyst is presented with an artifact they need assistance interpreting, the summarization feature provides interpretation and extracted observations based on an expertly trained LLM. As the investigation continues, analysts will derive new context, which will present new leads and present the opportunity for additional questions. As analysts pivot on the new leads and ask new questions, the investigation tree is maintained. This allows analysts to explore new avenues while never losing their place in an investigation. The platform also allows for the advantage of crossing between products and asking questions from multiple areas to accurately gauge the context and even the scope of an investigation. As the investigation unfolds, items of interest can be added to the timeline view. And of course, when standardization is necessary, Command Zero provides facets. Once applied, the facets automatically launch a series of questions and provide a directed flow for the analyst to follow. Once the investigation is complete, analysts will find value in the timeline view. Each item added has already been plotted on the investigation timeline, and the summary of artifacts have also been generated. Each summary is standardized in the format and is ready to utilize in reporting. Speaking of reporting, analysts can easily export the entirety of the incident timeline and the corresponding summaries to a PDF. Once exported, the analyst can simply bring up the PDF, which contains the original timeline, as well as each of the questions and their corresponding summaries that were generated. This makes it easy to share this content with stakeholders.